To adjust black and white light in Canva, start by opening Canva and logging into your account. From the home page, create a new design or open an existing project. This adjustment allows you to control the brightness and contrast of your photos, giving them a clean black and white look or enhancing monochrome effects. First, upload the image you want to edit by clicking the Uploads tab on the left-hand panel. Drag your photo onto the canvas and make sure it is selected. When the image is highlighted, the editing options will appear at the top of the screen. Next, click on Edit Image. In the editing panel, scroll down and select Adjust. Here, you will find several options including black and white and light adjustments. To make your image fully black and white, toggle the black and white option on, then use the light slider to adjust brightness. Dragging it to the right makes your image brighter, while dragging it to the left adds more shadows and depth. This helps you create dramatic, professional-looking monochrome effects. You can further enhance your image by combining these adjustments with contrast, saturation, highlights, and shadows to fine-tune the look. Experiment with different combinations to get the perfect balance for your design. Once you're satisfied, continue editing your design, add text, elements, or graphics, and then download or share your edited image. Using black and white light adjustments in Canva is a simple way to create striking professional images for presentations, social media, or marketing materials.